going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the Volkswagen GTI and how to change the PCV. My last video was the problems with it, and if you followed that and they were your issues and whatever and you just bought it, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to install it. Super easy. I'm going to get right into it, make it short for you guys because I know you'd be fixing it and watching the videos, so I don't want to waste your time or anything. Just make sure you're subscribed, like the channel, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get your tools. The tools, the only tools you're going to need, is going to be a T30 hex for the bolts, and then a small flathead screwdriver to pop some stuff off. That's it. Oh, and then a paper towel to clean around the seal where it sits on it, and that's it. First off, obviously, you're just going to take your cover off. Boom. Put it over somewhere. And then next thing you are going to do is you're going to go ahead, pop off every single one of the coils and push it out of the way, of course. Pop it out, just get it out of the way however you can or want. And then what you're going to do is pop both of your plugs out with the screwdriver nicely. Boom. Now you have both of them out of the way, just these two right by the PCV, and then you're going to take your flathead screwdriver right here. You're going to come over to this pipe right here, lightly pinch it away, kind of pull lightly. You don't want to break it until it moves. Very lightly, very lightly. Now it's away. You're going to take whatever tool that is, mine, T30, whatever tool with the T30 hex, and you're going to start unscrewing all of these bolts. I would first take this bolt apart and then pull this out and then take the rest apart. Every single bolt out. There's one right here, one right there, one right there, this one right here. Not the ones further down, don't touch those. And then this one back here. That's it. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then once this comes off, take your paper towel, clean the excess oil around the seal area where it sits. Take your new one, put it on there, put each bolt back in, lightly tighten them. And then once they got all of them in, really tighten them all. Don't tighten one by one really hard. And then you just go ahead, stick everything back on. Make sure this bad boy right here clicks. So you're just gonna make sure he clicks like that, pop, pop. And then you're gonna put this guy, obviously, when you're done putting this on, you just slide this back in there, screw it down, make sure it's in. Make sure it's all the way in like that. It'll sit perfectly if you have it right. Screw everything down, put your coils back. Push everything back in nicely. Click, 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 click. And all you do is put your cover back on and you're good to go. If you guys do like the video, give it a like, share, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.